Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, September 20th. We continue with the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo, and today's essay is titled So Unused to Emotion. For this practice, you will need a mirror or maybe your phone camera. The point is, you'll need to look at your face in the reflection part of our practice today. So I'll give you a moment to get what you need. And now let me read the essay for you. We are so unused to emotion that we mistake any depth of feeling for sadness, any sense of the unknown for fear, and any sense of peace for boredom. We're so schooled away from the life below that anything beneath the surface scares us. But the need to look beneath the surface doesn't go away. In part, this accounts for the barrage of violence we see in films, as the introspective need to look within, once denied, comes out anyway, in big stories of people being ripped open, in chases that end with opening of bodies against their will. Denying the need to look within only empowers it in another direction, and we find ourselves paying to sit in the dark, unable to look and unable to turn away, as people like ourselves are physically and psychologically forced open. We each do this in a more personal way too. In my 30s, I was unwilling to look deep within at the source of my low self-esteem, but found myself digging in the garden with an unexpected urgency, eager to uncover some roots I couldn't name. I have also found myself over the years picking at myself, at cuticles and blemishes, picking at little wounds until they bleed. And I have slowly realized that this is my soul's need to look beneath the surface, diverted by my refusal to do so. My own struggle to open my heart has been a long one. I have been married twice, have survived cancer and a cold mother, have tried to hold on to friends like food for 25 years, and all that has fallen away. I use solitude now, like a lamp, to illumine corners I've never seen. And though I'm scared at times that after all this way I will come up empty, I still believe that going inside and bringing whatever I find out makes all the difference. When we bring up what we keep inside, it is sacred and scary. And the rest of us don't know if we want to touch or not, like reaching from a ladder into a nest of baby birds. It's too soft and sacrilegious. It seems a place where human hands do not belong. But I invite you anyway. Go on. Let others reach in honestly, so we can say, this is who I am when no one is looking. For each of us is a fledgling that eventually, if fed, will fly. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft, completely natural. Remind yourself that there's nothing you need to fix right now. Not your breath, not yourself, not this moment. It's all good enough, just the way it is. See if this reminder helps you settle into a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom. a space in which all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. And now it's time to bring your mirror or turn your phone camera into selfie mode and place it before yourself. Sit quietly before a mirror with your eyes closed and reflect on an insecure part of yourself. You don't even have to name it. Just touch whatever feels vulnerable, insecure, whatever you want to hide from others and yourself. Breathing deeply, try to lift the source of this insecurity into your awareness. What is it? How does it feel to be aware of your insecurity? Now open your eyes and look into the mirror. Gently, lovingly examine your face and see both your insecurity and your awareness holding it. How does that feel? How does that look in your face? Seeing both your insecurity and your awareness holding it. And try saying to yourself, I accept myself just the way I am. I accept myself just the way I am. Insecurity and all. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I accept myself just the way I am. May I touch deep, natural peace. As always, as you let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, mentally, emotionally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Perhaps even repeat this mirror meditation again and again until it helps you accept who you really are, seeing your insecurities, being aware of them, and holding them gently in your awareness, accepting all of them. As always, enjoy your discoveries along the way. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.